Let me take a minute. Guys, I am gonna texturize my hair. I can't believe this. So I have the texturizer right here. So, and I just want to put a disclaimer for all those natural hair like cults. This is my hair. I'm the one having to deal with it. And two, I'm not like, I've had my hair natural for years, so if I want to do this to help myself manage my hair more, then this is my decision. And also, my hair is really thick and I can't manage it. It's either that or I'm gonna cut it off. And I'm not there as yet. Although I thought I was, I'm not there as yet to cut it off. So this is next best thing, texturizer. And I have a lot of length on my hair as well, but I'm just trying to show you. I have length, but of course I need a trim because this space right here is not it. But I have length. Like, my hair is not that short. It's probably like, right now it's probably like medium. It's like bra strap length. But let's get into it. Look how small this is. This is really small. I really hope it works because this is really small. Just apply this curl control cream to my hair. Smells nice. So guys, my battery died, so I just went ahead and did a Strand test, and this is it. Not sure if you can see it. I did tie the back, and of course when I had it on it, it's really soft, and when I had the cream and all that on it, like the curls, like y'all see that? You guys see that? Like, this is how it looked when I had the treatment on it, and when it was wet, this is how it looked. Like, y'all see that? Y'all see that? Like, yes, hunty. Like, this is how it looked before. So basically, adding the gel to it just brought it back. So I think this will work. Hopefully it's consistent throughout my hair. I'm gonna have to get a trim, but I'm gonna add some more of the pre-treatment to my hair since I have some more left. And yeah, then I'm gonna apply the texturizer. So so let's get into it. Let's get into it. Alright, they said that for medium to normal, the timing for texture is 8 to 12 minutes. I should do the front first, probably. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna do it. It says to start at the back because the back is more resistant, but honestly the front of my hair is thicker. Because this, I didn't even have on the strand test for long for this. So you know, I think I'm gonna start at the front because the front of my hair is thicker. So might as well. And it said to leave the edges for last. So I'm gonna try to like do that. Leave the edges for last. Yo, I'm nervous and knocking stuff over. Front of my hair is really thick. Well, not really thick, but it's thicker than the rest of my hair. So let's hope that this small jar actually does my whole head, because I will do this.
Hi guys, this is editing Shelly hair. So also my hair is curly, like I do get definition from my hair when I do wash and goes, and I'll insert a picture right here when I'm talking. But luckily enough, I still had my curls at the end of this. They were still S's and ringlets, so that's good. In my opinion, it still looks the same. It's just that my hair doesn't get, I don't get shrinkage as bad as before. Like the curls are there, but they are elongated. Yes, they're elongated, so I don't get much shrinkage, and I also get the definition as well. So
the glove is pink. Why is it pink? I didn't detangle my hair when I pull out my braids. No shrinkage, that's all I can say. Like, cause usually when I wash my hair like I get my Male Organics pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner. So I got this new oil from Male Organics. Is their rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil infused with biotin and encourages growth. Split and care, scalp treatment and daily use. It's texturized now. So like I really like it. Like the curls are more defined because of course they're looser, so they're not even tangled up in each other. So I like that. And if you guys want to see like an updated wash and go video, just let me know, because I know I didn't show the whole process like in this video because it was too time consuming and I don't want to take up all the space on the memory card and the battery. Like I don't want to do that. And it's when it's all dry and fluffed out, I'm gonna trim the ends. So yeah, if this is the end of the video, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you want to see more videos like this where I fool around with my hair or I do wigs or whatever, if you're interested in those kind of videos and vlogs, then like this video, comment, turn on the post notifications and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one.